This is John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Valery. Valery is one of our traders, been trading with us from the 27th of March 2021 up until the present day of 24th of May 2021. This is a journey of Valery. Valery has a gain of 20.78%, an absolute gain of 7.5%, a daily gain of 0.31%, a monthly gain of 9.81%, and a drawdown maintained of 3.30%. So that's been very good. And as you can see, the journey of Valery, in April, Valery was down by minus 0.51%, by up again in positive territory, but down, but still holding a balance with positive gains at 4.79%. Then eventually Valerie goes on to hit 10% 3 times, which brings Valerie to 60,000 US dollars. Valerie done this with a total of 85 trades. So let's have a look at Valerie's advanced statistics. Valerie has won 65 out of 85 trades, which represents 76% return, and Valerie has lost 20 out of those 85, giving a 24% loss rate. So overall, Valerie has done well. And in total, Valerie has made 1,099.1 pips. So let's see what pairs Valerie's traded to help her get to this level. Valerie has traded quite a few pairs, quite as we can see. We've traded the Australian dollar CAD, Aussie Swiss franc, Aussie yen, Aussie New Zealand dollar, CAD CHF, CAD yen, Swiss franc yen, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro JPY, Euro New Zealand dollar, Euro US dollar, Pound yen, Pound dollar, New Zealand dollar CAD, New Zealand dollar US dollar, US dollar CAD, US dollar Swiss franc, and US dollar yen. And out of all these pairs, we can see Valerie has been more effective with the Australian dollar CAD, where Valerie's made 6 trades and 176.9%. And on the short side, she's only made 1 trade and made 15.3, which has given us a staggering total of 192.2 pips, giving us 732.25 pips. Coming down to the CAD yen, where Valerie's been more effective, made 180 pips. And on that, Valerie's made 210 pips in total, giving us 900.44 pips, which is great. And the same has been replicated on the pound US dollar, as we can see 925. On the Australian New Zealand dollar US dollar, we've got 633. So Valerie has some key trades here. And Valerie, what I recommend, stick to pairs that make you money. Just stick to the pairs that give you the pips. You can't go wrong. Small consistent gains of 20 pips, 40 pips, 50 pips, or 100 pips if you're very good will always get you to your target mark. So we're just having a view at your monthly analytics. You've had a 2.74% gain in March, very good. A staggering 13.8% in April, very good. And in May, 3.96% growth. So overall, Valerie, very good and very impressive. Looking at your history goes on for quite a few pages, as we can see. I think we're going about 7 pages, 5 pages. And as you can see, just scrolling through, you can see some of your consistent gains, 0.55. I don't know what level you're on the program, but if you're going above 0.55% lot size, then I take it you're probably on level 2. But it'll be very odd for you to be trading 0.55 on the 15,000. But as we can see, these are some of your trades over time. So looking at your trades now, we can see 0.55, 1.0. So you've really taken advantage of your lot sizes, and you got 0.7. And if you look at your average gains, we can see 25 to 43 to 27 pips. So all these small consistent gains will always get you what you need to get you consistent profits. So very well done and congratulations on this, because you cannot go wrong by being consistent with small consistent gains. So this is the secret of getting the 10%. Well done. The only thing I would say, and I'll have a go at everybody, is always use a stop loss, because your trade can end in 4 ways: a large win, a small win, break even, or a small stop loss, or excessive losses with uncertainty because you're forced to liquidate a position out of your control due to a major high impact event, or the risk managers told you to liquidate your position, or you liquidated a position over the weekend. So never leave yourself in a situation for uncertainty. Always keep your mind up and stay positive. Have a strong positive psychological mindset, and success is always there, guaranteed. Congratulations on your achievement of 10%.